Remove the patch from its package only when you are ready to use it. When removing it, be careful not to cut or damage the patch in any way. A stiff protective liner covers the sticky side of the patch. Protective liner is in two parts. This is the side that you will attach to your skin. Select an area of your skin that is clean, dry, and free from excessive hair. Slowly remove the small part of the plastic liner. Place the patch at the selected application site and remove the other part of the liner to stick the patch. The patch should be smooth with no bumps or folds. Hold the patch for 30 seconds. Do not apply POWERGESIC patch on wet/oily area, hairy areas, open wound, and immediately after the bath. Apply POWERGESIC patch preferably on stomach, lower side of the back, lower side of the shoulder and arm.